University, Rose Garcia.
Ayan, good afternoon. Question ko sa Kat. Doon sa role ninyo, sa character niyo sa Banjiro, somehow ba may nakikita kayo sa totoong buhay niyo na in a way relatable or you see yourself na ay ganito rin? And what's that?
Feeling ko po narinig ko sa character ko dahil sa observation skills niya, and she's always thinking every single time of the day, throughout the day, tapos strategic planner siya din. So the guys at my high school experiences, I was very observant, very strategical thinking in terms of working smart and still working hard.
In my own way, I feel like the way that I can relate to my character is how much she cares about her loved ones and her friends, and how much she cares about making them comfortable and happy.
Siguro si Mac kasi may paninindigan talaga siya eh. And kapag nandun na siya sa part na pinag-uusapan niya si pag-aaral, sobrang seryoso na siya. Ginagawa niya talaga yung best niya. And sobrang parang family-oriented, sobrang family person si Mac. So siguro doon ako nakaka-relate kasi kapag nasa trabaho na kami, seryoso na rin, nandun na rin kami sa punto na parang okay, focus muna tayo sa trabaho. And also sa family, syempre, I always see to it na meron akong oras sa family ko, and I always put my family as a priority first, same as family. So, yeah.
Okay. Ikaw.
For me, siguro yung his bad always wanted what he really wants. So hindi siya mapakali kung hindi niya makuha. So he has this eager na he always want to try everything para makuha yung gusto niya. So yeah, I think it kind of relate to that.
Okay. Okay, another question. For Atasha. Atasha kasi like sa Itbulaga, parang ang pinapakita mo doon yung jolly side mo, somehow parang pwede ka ay pwede maging komedyante kung si Atasha. Pero dito naman sa Bad Genius, I think it's, although it's still a youth-oriented, pero more serious yung atake. So, would you say na eventually, mas gusto mo makilala bilang seryosong actress or tano?
Para sa akin po, I think I want to try all types of acting. I want to continue to develop my craft, and I'm enjoying the process of being an actor, and I'm having so much fun throughout this whole experience. Learning so much. So, in terms of roles na masyadong serious or light, of course, I'm super game to do it. Basta I give my 100%. Get the group. Kung sinabi ko yan dati, hanggang ngayon, I will always give my 100% best.
Okay, thank you. Last question naman na, so pahirit na lang. Siyempre, we all know na, sa inyo lahat po ito, siyempre, we all know na yung Mutyanan section ni ay talaga naman naging phenomenal. Diba? May pressure ba sa inyong lahat to top it or mapantayan man lang?
Wala naman pong pressure kasi this show is also different from Mutya and vice versa. But the things, both shows are both from Viva, pero all of the actors, even sa Mutya, even dito po sa Bad Genius, even sa Uni series, we always give our best. And we have no comparison or no expectation of what the result would be. Basta yung expectation is that we always bring our best sa day of work, day of dating, and whatever it may be.
Yeah, siguro same with Dash, no? Parang we're working under one roof. At the end of the day, we all work as a team. Parang may AMSE, may Univercada, may Bad Genius. At the end of the day, ang goal lang naman namin ay mapasaya yung mga viewers natin. Ang goal natin, mapalakas ang Vivo One para sa lahat din. Sa mga tao sa likod ng camera, sa ad-prom people natin, and syempre sa amin, para hindi rin kami tuloy-tuloy lang yung mga series na ginagawa namin, diba? So at the end of the day, magkakakampi kami dito, and it's really hard to compare each other kasi magkakaiba talaga yung atake ng bawat isa eh. We're on the mature, edgy side. Univercada is mature but yet bubbly, alam niyo, I mean not bubbly pero mas magaan kaysa sa amin. And yung AMSE is more on the lighter side naman of university series. So everybody, everything is different, everything has their own genre and own tatak, diba? Pero at the end of the day, we're all working as a team. Basta masaya kami na malakas yung Viva One, masaya kaming lahat, masaya lahat ng tao, diba?
Thank you, Giles. Gab and Hyacinth. Ang last na si Direk.
Actually, same with Jai. Like what he said, same thing lang po kami sa Viva One. And of course, pressure is always gonna be there. It's a big show, and Viva trusted us with this show, so it's all about like overcoming the pressure, be comfortable with each other, and sana po at mabigay namin yung mapasaya po namin kayo. Pero at the end of the day, we're happy because we gave our 100% best sa show na to. And actually, we're really happy na successful po yung mga ginagawa ng Viva One kasi that means more project po yun.
Yes, the beautiful thing is that every show is about something. It has something different. It offers something new, something different, something unique. And it's fun because, you know, it makes everyone happy. And if someone's feeling Thriller, they'll watch Thriller. If they want to feel like happy, sad, they can, you know, go into other shows. Every show has a different story, has a different message.
Direk.
Parang baliktad yata kayo sa akin. Para, yes, of course, for me, that may pressure din. I mean, may pressure in a way that, because this is an adaptation I mean, ilang beses na nilabas, marami ng variations yung buong material. So parang, how can we make it something new and then something na panonoorin? Kasi alam na naman ng tao what's the story of Bad Genius. From the movie to the series, everybody knows what will happen, di ba? So paano natin ito babaguhin? I mean, I'm pretty sure yung pressure hindi lang sa akin. I mean, the full staff, kumbaga lahat, from the production design, the costume design. I mean, we even study all the color palettes na dapat namin gamitin, all the colors and all the materials para masabi namin, okay, iba yung lalabas dito. Even the lighting, the DOP, and then kumbaga the whole, kahit the light producers, I mean the creatives, nandun yung pressure to meet na what are the expectations. Kasi malaki siyang material I mean, lahat ng tao na manonood nito, is either napanood yung movie or the series, or may certain expectations that you have to meet. So parang, paano natin tatapatan yun? What can we do? What can we offer new? Anong bago dito? Ano yung nabigay ng ibang series na hindi nila naibigay? Then maybe we could concentrate on that. So lahat ng factors na yan we consider. So kung sa pressure, I mean, it's a good thing na may pressure sa amin. I mean, for me, ako personally nape-pressure sa akin kasi kung hindi ka nape-pressure doon sa isang material, baka nagiging lax ka na doon sa pagtrabaho, di ba? So yun.
Direk, ano ba? May binago din kayo sa kwento. Were you given the right to somehow change?
Yes, marami kami, di man siguro binago. We keep the core, kumbaga yung core na doon. Pero in terms of how we're going to discuss the story, marami kaming binago. We keep, of course, nandun kumbaga yung school life nila, nandun kung paano nag-intensify. Pero in terms of intensity, we make sure na dito, napagod sila. No, hindi. I mean, talaga makikita mo dun sa buong material na papalapit ang finale ng series. This is no longer a school cheating. Gagawin na yung buong series. At some point, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin basta may mangyayari doon sa buong serye na magiging siya yung fulcrum ng lahat na iinit na. Hindi na kami estudyante. Diba, gagampanan nila yung life and dito yung roles out the school and how the cheating become sobrang laki at kung paano ma-affectan yung personal life nila.
Thank you. Actually, base sa trailer, congratulations na sir.
Alright, there we have it. Maraming salamat po. But can I just say, Jairus Aquino for President. Grabe yung conviction na kanina, brother. Talagang we are all moved. Viva One President. Thank you so much. Again, that wraps up our question and answer portion. Palakpakan naman natin lahat ng mga nagtanong. At yung mga sagot ng ating cast, of course, director. Maraming salamat. I guess it's time to you know, freeze this iconic moment in time. Pero bago yun, gusto ko muna ulit imbitahan kayong lahat to put your eyes on the screen. We have something special to watch.